Guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to continue Budgie's The Rescue P3 by me, part 3. Let's go. Yay, snow. You get over here. Huh? It's go time. This place is cold, but I must keep going. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. Bonk. 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 I am number 1. Let's go. Cool, nice cave. How do I get across? I know, jump. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. The flag. Ha. It's go time. I think it's the same place every time. Oof. Rumble, rumble. What's that rumbling noise? It's an evil snowman. It won't stop me though. Bonk. I'm number 1. Come on, let's get to the going. Stop. To be continued. Well, alright, so that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring the bell for notifications and numbers for the content. We'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.